In this video, we'll cover 3 essential tools that help protect your AWS account and prevent unexpected charges. Let's get started. A strong first step in securing your account is turning on multi-factor authentication, or MFA. This adds an extra layer to your login process by requiring a second form of verification, making it much harder for anyone to access your account, even if they have your password. Begin by signing in to the AWS Management Console as the root user or as an IAM user with the necessary permissions. After logging in, click your username in the upper right corner and choose Security Credentials from the drop-down menu. Scroll until you find the multi-factor authentication section, then select Assign MFA Device. You'll be presented with several options, including virtual authenticator apps and hardware security keys. Choose the method that works best for you, enter a name for the device, and continue to the next step. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once everything is successfully configured, you'll see a confirmation message, and your MFA device will be listed under Security Credentials. From that point forward, signing in will require a verification code from your selected MFA method. Keep in mind that enabling MFA for the root user only secures the root account. IAM users are separate identities, and each one must have MFA configured individually. After strengthening login security, it's time to monitor your spending. Click your username again and open the billing dashboard. From the left-hand menu, select Budgets. This feature allows you to plan and track your expenses, and it can notify you if your costs go over or are projected to go over your set limits. To set one up, choose Create Budget. You can either use the simplified setup with recommended defaults or switch to advanced settings for more customization. Select a template, enter the email address where you'd like alerts sent, and finalize the process by clicking Create Budget. Once created, your budget will appear on the overview page, where you can update or remove it at any time. Another helpful cost control tool is billing alarms. From the billing dashboard, scroll down to the lower left section and open Billing Preferences. Check the box to enable billing alerts. Keep in mind that once this feature is activated, it cannot be turned off. Next, click Manage Billing Alerts, which will redirect you to the Amazon CloudWatch console. In the left navigation panel, select Alarms, then choose Billing, and click Create Alarm. Here, you can define thresholds using fixed amounts or anomaly detection. After setting your metrics and conditions, move to the next step to configure notifications. Enter your email details and add any additional actions if needed. Finally, give your alarm a name and description, review the settings, and create it. That's it. You've now explored 3 key tools to help secure your AWS account and maintain control over your cloud spending. Thanks for watching, and happy cloud computing from all of us at Amazon Web Services.